So we are just gonna go to our Facebook profile and we're gonna search for advertising media. This right here is my Facebook page, and here I'm gonna show you how our AI chatbot actually works for Facebook. So I'm just gonna click on message button. We also have different options right here. We can start chatting. Is there anyone to chat? So you can click on that option and you can trigger our AI to speak with you, or you can just simply put hello, hi, or anything in order to trigger our AI chatbot. So we shall be getting a greeting message like, hello, how can I assist you today? So as a random customer, or let's say as a random user, I'm gonna ask questions like, who am I speaking with? So I'm gonna make this short and I want to make it clear, and I want to show you how effective this AI chatbot can be. So we have got the message, you are speaking with Ron. So that's the name of my AI assistant that we have for advertiser media. And if you don't know about advertiser media, then we are actually an AI chatbot agency that help businesses to create their own AI chatbot. So let me ask, well, let's see what we are gonna get here. So at advertiser media, our AI chatbots are available for various platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, SMS, WhatsApp, and much more. So how can we assist you with your chatbot needs? So I'm just gonna say, what are, right? So let's see what it's gonna come back with. So it's taking some time. So there we go. AI offers several benefits, including improved customer support, personalized. So there we go. So this is a kind of AI chatbot that we have created for our business. And if you want to see like an AI chatbot that we have created for various businesses such as dental, restaurants, then you can just head over to my YouTube channel. You can see plenty of videos there, and you can just click on it and watch video of it. And also something that I can show you here is this AI chatbot that we have created can also help you like generate leads. So in this case, I'm just gonna say, I want my business as well. So let's see what we're gonna get here. So there we go. That's great to hear. We'll be happy to help you create an AI. Could you please provide more details about the requirements? So it's asking for what kind of chatbots they want to go with. But in this case, I just want to say I want to schedule a call at advertiser media. Let's see what we're gonna get. So there we go. Please confirm if you're interested to schedule for an appointment below. So our chatbot understand what the user actually wants. So in this case, let's just go with schedule. And there we go. It asks now slowly but slowly it just keep on asking for their name at first. So in this case, I'm just gonna put my first name, Nick, and the second thing is gonna be the email address. So my Facebook already has my email address here, so that's what it's showing right now, but I'm not gonna go with that one. I'm just gonna go with the other one, Nick Yatish. So there we go. Last one, please write the contact number. So again, my Facebook already has the contact number again, but again, I'm not gonna go with the contact number that it has shown here. I'm gonna go with a different one, 370-3987. So once that is done, so there we go. Click the button below to confirm the date and time. So from here we can just click on confirm and you're leaving. So we're just gonna click on continue, and there we go. This right here is a booking page. So once that is done, so today date is like September 11, so we are available at other dates. So I'm just gonna go with September 12 in this case. I'm available at 9 a.m. So from here you can choose like any country that you are from or where you belong, and just click on book now. So once that is done, it's all done. So after that you can just go back, and there you go. You also get the appointment confirmation. You get the date September 12, 2023, 9 a.m. So this way, not only I have generated leads here, we have also scheduled for an appointment. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to create a chatbot similar to this for your social media platforms, then head over to my website. I will put my website link down below, and I'll also put my Instagram and Facebook link down below. Just click on it, send me a message, and then we can just take it from there and see if we can help you create an AI chatbot for your business or not. Once again, thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.